Have you ever wondered if those tasty human snacks are actually safe for your feline friend? According to veterinary research, many common foods that are harmless for us can be very dangerous for cats. In this video, we'll reveal 7 foods scientifically proven to harm cats and explain why. Welcome to the Cat Post, where we bring you expert cat care tips. Thanks for tuning in and for showing interest in our new channel. We really appreciate your support, so please subscribe for more cat facts. Every video is crafted by our team of veterinarians and based on real scientific data to keep your kitty safe and happy. 1. Onions and garlic, allium vegetables. Onions, garlic, chives, leeks, and similar allium plants contain toxins that cats cannot process. When cats eat any allium, raw, cooked, or powdered, organosulfoxides convert into oxidative compounds that destroy red blood cells. This leads to hemolytic anemia, a life-threatening condition where the cat's body literally breaks down its own blood cells. Even a small amount can be deadly. Ingestion of less than a teaspoon of onion or garlic has caused anemia in cats. Symptoms include weakness, pale gums, and dark urine, often developing within a day. If you think your cat has nibbled onion or garlic, call your vet right away. 2. Grapes and raisins. Never feed grapes or raisins to your cat. The specific toxin is unknown, but these fruits have been linked to sudden kidney failure in pets. Studies note that any ingestion of grapes or raisins is considered a serious risk. Even a single grape can cause vomiting, abdominal pain, lethargy, and dehydration within hours. Because we don't fully understand the mechanism, veterinarians recommend keeping all grapes, raisins, currants, and related fruits completely away from cats. Have you ever seen your cat try grapes or raisins? If so, keep them out of reach and monitor your cat closely if an exposure occurs. 3. Chocolate and caffeine. Methylxanthines. Chocolate is deadly for cats. It contains 2 toxic methylxanthines, theobromine and caffeine. Even tiny amounts can cause vomiting, diarrhea, elevated heart rate, tremors, and seizures. Dark chocolate and unsweetened baker's chocolate are the worst since they have the highest toxin levels. Plain milk chocolate has less toxin, but is still dangerous. Likewise, any caffeinated drink, coffee, tea, soda, or energy drinks can overstimulate a cat's heart and nervous system. For example, a sip of coffee or cola could push a cat into life-threatening hyperactivity. Pet experts warn that if your cat gets into chocolate or coffee, you should contact your vet immediately. 4. Alcohol and raw bread dough. Alcohol in any form is poisonous for cats. Because cats are very sensitive to ethanol, even a little beer, wine, or liquor can cause poisoning. Ingesting alcohol quickly leads to vomiting, disorientation, poor coordination, slowed breathing, and even coma. In severe cases, death is possible. Another hidden danger is uncooked bread dough. If a cat eats raw dough, the yeast ferments sugars into ethanol inside its stomach, and the dough expands with gas. This can both intoxicate the cat and cause dangerous bloating in the gut. If your cat accidentally eats dough or any alcoholic food, call the vet immediately. Ever catch your cat sniffing your drink? Beware. 5. Raw eggs and raw meat. Foodborne pathogens. Some people feed cats raw diets, but raw meats and eggs pose serious health risks. Raw meats and eggs often harbor bacteria like Salmonella or E. coli, which can infect cats and people, causing severe illness. Symptoms include vomiting, diarrhea, fever, and lethargy. Additionally, raw eggs contain avidin, an enzyme that blocks biotin, a B vitamin, and can lead to skin and coat problems. Certain raw fish, such as cod, carp, or herring, contain thiaminase, an enzyme that destroys vitamin B1, potentially causing neurological issues in cats. If you serve raw food, handle it safely and consider the risks carefully. Remember, raw often means dangerous for pet diets. 6. Bones, raw or cooked. Both raw and cooked bones can break into sharp splinters. A bone fragment can puncture a cat's throat, stomach, or intestines, or cause a dangerous blockage. Even raw bones, sometimes given in natural diets, can fracture teeth. Veterinarians warn that the potential for choking or internal injury makes bones a complete no-go. Instead of bones, give your cat appropriate chew toys or treats. Have you ever had to remove something stuck in your cat's throat? The vet bill usually isn't worth it. Stick to safe treats. 7. Milk and dairy products. Despite cartoonies showing cats drinking milk, most adult cats are lactose intolerant. Kittens have lactase enzyme to digest their mother's milk, but that enzyme drops off after weaning. Without enough lactase, cats fed cow's milk or cheese will often get an upset stomach or diarrhea. Clinical sources confirm that because cats lack sufficient lactase, even a little dairy can cause digestive problems. Some cats tolerate small amounts of dairy, but it's generally best to give water or specially formulated cat milk instead. Does your cat beg for milk? They may pay for it later with tummy trouble. We hope you found this information useful. These facts come from veterinary sources and studies, so you know they're real. Keep dangerous foods out of your cat's reach and call your vet right away if you suspect poisoning. Which of these foods surprised you the most? Leave a comment below with your thoughts or experiences. Let's help each other protect our furry friends.